Sure Bro here is a simple 40-minute faceless video script on how to buy your first stock using only simple words with no commas or symbols and no headings. Today we're going to talk about how to buy your first stock. This video is for you if you're just starting out and you do not know where to begin. Do not worry, I will explain everything in easy steps. First, let us understand what a stock is. A stock is a small part of a company. When you buy a stock, you become a part owner of that company. If the company does well, your stock goes up. If the company does not do well, your stock can go down. Now let us talk about why people buy stocks. People buy stocks to grow their money. You can make money in two ways from stocks. One way is when the stock price goes up. The second way is when the company gives you money from its profit. This money is called dividend. So how do you start? First, you need to open a brokerage account. A brokerage is like a middleman between you and the stock market. You cannot buy stocks directly from a market. You need to use a broker. You can choose from many online brokers. Some popular names are Robinhood, Fidelity, E-Trade, and Webull. You can search online for the best broker in your country. Once you pick your broker, you need to open an account. You will have to give your name, address, phone number, and other details. You may also need to show your ID. This is to make sure your account is safe and real. After you open your account, you will need to put money in it. You can connect your bank account and send money to your broker account. This step may take a few hours or even a few days. Now the fun part begins. You are ready to buy your first stock. Before you buy anything, you need to do some research. Do not just buy any stock you see on the internet. Learn about the company first. Check what the company does. Check if it makes money or not. See how it has done in the last few years. A good way to begin is to look at companies you know. Look at big names like Apple, Amazon, Google, or Coca-Cola. These are large companies and many people trust them. They may be a safe place to start. Go to your broker app or website. Search for the company name or stock symbol. For example, Apple has a stock symbol AAPL. Once you find the stock, click on it. You will see a lot of numbers and charts. Do not worry about all that at the start. Just look for the button that says buy. Click on it. Now you will see something called quantity. This is how many shares you want to buy. If one share costs $100 and you want one share, then type 1. If you want 2 shares, then type 2, and so on. You will also see something called order type. Choose market order for now. This means you will buy the stock at the current price. Later, when you get more experience, you can use other types like limit order. After that, click buy or confirm. And that is it. You just bought your first stock. You are now a stock owner. But wait, the journey does not stop here. You must watch your stock. See how it moves. Read news about the company. Stay updated. Some days your stock will go up. Some days it may go down. Do not panic. Stocks move up and down all the time. You only lose money when you sell. Always think long term. Do not try to get rich in one day. The best investors hold their stocks for many years. Also remember this. Never put all your money in one stock. This is risky. It is better to buy small amounts in many companies. This is called diversification. It keeps you safe if one stock does badly. You should also make a plan. Ask yourself how much money you want to invest. How long do you want to hold your stock? What is your goal? Do you want to grow money for 5 years, 10 years, or more? Do not follow what everyone else is doing. Some people will tell you to buy this or that stock. Always do your own research. Also, do not invest money that you need soon, like rent money or food money. Only invest money that you can leave for a long time. You should also learn more about the stock market. Read books, watch videos, listen to podcasts. The more you learn, the better you get. Some good books are The Intelligent Investor and One Up on Wall Street. You can also follow trusted finance channels on YouTube. As time passes, you'll get better. You will learn how to read charts. You will learn how to check company numbers. You will learn how to build a good stock portfolio. You may also hear about terms like ETF, mutual fund day, trading penny stocks, and more. Take your time to learn these things. Do not rush. Let me give you some more tips. Tip 1. Start small. You do not need a lot of money to begin. Even $20 or $50 is enough to buy some stocks. Tip 2. Stay calm. Do not sell your stock if it goes down a little. Wait and see how it does in the long run. Tip 3. Set a goal. Know why you are investing. It will help you stay focused. Tip 4. Keep learning. The stock market is always changing. Keep learning to stay ahead. Tip 5. Use a notebook or app to track your stocks. Write down when you bought your stock and why you bought it. Tip 6. Do not try to time the market. You cannot know when the price will go up or down. Just invest little by little over time. Tip 7. Check the fees of your broker. Some brokers charge money for buying or selling stocks. Try to use a broker with low or no fees. Tip 8. Know the tax rules in your country. In some places, you have to pay tax when you sell your stock for profit. Tip 9. Join groups or forums with other investors. You can learn a lot by talking to